Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well and studying well. So children, as you all know, moral science teaches us a lot of life lessons. So now, we are going to talk about perseverance in this chapter called The Strength of Perseverance. Perseverance is not a long race, it is many short races, one after the other. So children, let's first get in gear. Everyone needs support when facing challenges. Who are the people in your life that encourage you to keep trying when you face difficulties in your journey? How do they support you when things get tough? So children, not every day is same. कभी हम खुश होते, कभी हम सैड होते, कभी सब कुछ एकदम स्मूथ होता है, कभी we have to go through some rough patches. So that's when there are some people who will always stand with you and they will support you come what may. So now you have to tell us कि अगर आपके लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ पैच आया है जहाँ पे you had to face challenges and somebody has come forward and supported you and stood firmly with you. तो उनके बारे में आपको लिखना है. Alright, now children, tell me what does perseverance mean to you? Okay, these are some oral questions. Let's discuss them. So perseverance is not giving up and trying hard, alright? So why is it important to keep trying? Even if you fail at first, तो कभी कभी बार बार try करना क्यों important है? Okay, कभी हम fail हो जाते हैं and then we get up and we try again. So children, if we keep on trying, success will come our way, come what may. इसके लिए हमें try करते रहना चाहिए. How does perseverance help people achieve their goals? Because there are so many people who struggle to achieve their goals. Okay. But okay, if they have a strong willpower, हमारी willpower जब strong होती है, हमारा mind जब एक चीज़ पे अच्छे से focus करता है, that's when okay we understand what mistakes we have done. Okay, we work on our mistakes और उसके बाद उनको improve करके we improvise ourselves और उसके बाद हम अपने goal को achieve करते हैं. Okay, and no one can stop us from achieving our goal. Why do some people give up easily while others keep trying? So ऐसे भी बहुत से लोग हैं जो give up कर देते हैं, कहते हैं कि बस मुझसे ना हो पाएगा. Okay, और give up कर देते हैं, try ही नहीं करते. तो क्यों ऐसा करते लोग? शायद उनकी विल पावर कम होगी. Okay, शायद उनमें पेशेंस कम होगा. Okay, how do you feel when you succeed after working hard for something? तो जब आप बहुत कोशिश करते हो, बहुत मेहनत करते हो, कड़ी मेहनत करते हो, okay, और फिर आप अपने गोल्स अचीव करते हो, how do you feel about it? Don't you feel good? Yes, indeed. चलो, now let's look at this story about Lily and the giant's cave. Once upon a time in a magical forest there lived a young fairy named Lily. She lived with her mother, Rose, and her sister Daisy. तो एक दिन एक जादुई फॉरेस्ट में एक लड़की होती है जिसका नाम होता है लिली. वो अपनी मम्मी और रोज और अपनी बहन डेजी के साथ उधर रहती है. So Lily loved being surrounded by flowers. It was her dream to live in a forest full of flowers, but the magical forest didn't have many. One day, Lily asked her mother where she could find more flowers. So Rose told her that the fairies used to snap their fingers to call imps, and these imps could make the flowers bloom. But long ago, a giant had taken all the imps away and kept them as slaves in his cave. Now, the fairies only had a few small flowers that bloomed in certain seasons. तो उसकी मम्मी उसको कहती है क्योंकि लिली को फ्लावर्स बहुत पसंद है. ओके तो उसको अच्छा ऐसे लगता है कि मुझे हर तरफ मेरे चारों ओर सिर्फ फ्लावर्स ही फ्लावर्स चाहिए जो मैजिकल फॉरेस्ट में कम थे. तो उसने अपनी मम्मी से पूछा तो उसकी मम्मी ने कहा कि यहाँ पे भी कुछ साल पहले बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स थे. ओके इम्प्स आते थे. ओके जैसे ही फेरीज उनको फिंगर स्नैप करके बुलाती थी इम्प्स आ जाते थे और वो अपनी जादुई छड़ी घुमा के सब जगह पे फ्लावर्स ही फ्लावर्स फैला देते थे. ओके बट एक जायंट आया और उसने ये सारे जो इम्प्स थे उनको वो ले गया. ओके एंड उनको अपने केव में उसने स्लेव्स जैसे रखा है. Okay, so now the fairies only had some few flowers. Okay, तो अब सिर्फ थोड़े से ही flowers बचे हैं जो सिर्फ कोई कोई सीजन में आते. So Lily felt very sad. She wished for the flowers to be filled with color. Okay, she wanted that there should be colorful flowers everywhere with their sweet smell in the air. तो Lily बहुत sad हो गई ये सब सुन के. One day, Lily and her sister Daisy were practicing snapping their fingers to summon a gnome, since there were no imps left to help them. The problem with gnomes was that they would disappear right after arriving and never stayed long enough to follow orders. All the gnomes wore red hats. So लिली और उसकी बहन ने फिर फिंगर स्नैप की प्रैक्टिस शुरू की, क्योंकि फिंगर स्नैप करते ही इम्स आते थे. अब ये फिंगर स्नैप्स करते ही नॉर्म्स आ जाएंगे. ओके, सो नॉर्म्स जब आएंगे तो वो उसकी हेल्प करेंगे. ओके, एंड सिर्फ इतना ही प्रॉब्लम था इन नॉर्म्स का कि वो तुरंत ही डिसअपियर हो जाते थे. ओके, और कभी भी ज़्यादा देर नहीं रुकते थे. सो ये जो नॉर्म्स थे, there was one particular thing about them, that was कि वो red hats पहनते थे. So Lily was trying hard to do the tricky two-finger snap needed to summon a gnome. Okay, she had been trying for several minutes without success. So अभी लिली ने बहुत कोशिश की, बहुत देर तक कोशिश करती रही, but she was not successful. Okay, snapping हो ही नहीं रहा था उससे. Oh, this is too hard, Lily complained, stomping her foot and covering her face with her hands. So अब Lily was disappointed. उसने अपना हाथ पैर मारने लगी और बोलते बस ये बहुत difficult है. So Daisy managed to summon a gnome wearing a red hat, but it appeared and then vanished away quickly. Okay, तो Daisy was successful, but वो gnome ज़्यादा देर रुका नहीं, तुरंत vanish हो गया. Okay, so why don't we go find a cave where the giant is keeping the imps? Suggested Daisy. अब Daisy एक suggestion देते हैं कि हम जाके वो cave ढूंढते हैं जहाँ पे giant ने imps को रखा है. Yes, if we rescue them, the forest will be full of flowers again. Lily agreed while feeling very excited. So in a small clearing where sunlight shone through the leaves, Lily and Daisy found their mother, Rose, practicing some complicated magic that involved sparkling stars and fluttering pink butterflies. So अब ना वो लोग decide करते हैं कि हम उस cave में जाते हैं. अब एक स्मॉल ऐसे गैप में उन्होंने अपनी मम्मी को देखा तो वो कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मैजिक प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी टू कॉल सम दैट involved some sparkling stars and some butterflies and all. So what's wrong? Asked Rose. Okay, seeing her daughters looking sad. तो अब Rose ने देखा कि उसकी जो बेटियां हैं बहुत sad दिख रही, तो उसने पूछा क्या हुआ? So I can't snap my finger to call a gnome. Now we have decided to go find the giant and free the imps. Daisy said. तो Daisy कहते कि हमारे से ना snapping हो ही नहीं रही, and that is the reason why gnome is not coming only. तो अब हमने decide किया है कि वो cave जाके ढूंढेंगे. So Rose wished them luck and gave them a clue. The giant had a very big feet. So उसने clue दिया Rose ने अपनी बेटियों को कि जो giant है उसके पैर जो है बहुत बड़े हैं. Okay, so Lily and Daisy set off immediately to search for the giant. They looked everywhere in the forest but couldn't find him or his cave. So they left the forest and searched for giant footprints outside. So अब Lily, Daisy निकल पड़े giant को ढूंढने के लिए. Okay, सब जगह पे ढूंढा but उनको वो जायंट या उसकी केव मिली ही नहीं. सो अब उन्होंने फॉरेस्ट छोड़ दिया और फॉरेस्ट के बाहर उस जायंट के फुटप्रिंट्स को ढूंढने लगी. The search was long and tiring. Daisy soon became bored and went back to the magical forest. But Lily, she didn't give up. She kept looking for the giant by herself. अब Daisy ने तो give up कर दिया, वो तो अपने magical forest में लौट गई. But जो Lily थी उसने give up नहीं किया. ओके, उसने कहा कि मैं खुद ही जायंट को ढूंढ लूँगी और वो निकल पड़ी उसको ढूंढने के लिए. सो लिलीज हार्ड वर्क पेड ऑफ व्हेन शी फाइनली फाउंड जायंट फुटप्रिंट्स. अब फाइनली लिली वाज सक्सेसफुल. ओके, उसको वो जायंट के फुटप्रिंट्स मिल गए. She followed the tracks and soon she saw a large giant asleep in front of a cave. Okay, अब उसने उस फुटप्रिंट्स को फॉलो किया और फाइनली वो उस केव तक पहुंच गई. Lily snapped her fingers 3 times using her magic to create a cool breeze that made the giant sleep even more deeply. अब लिली ने क्या किया, अपने फिंगर्स को 3 बार स्नैप किया जिससे ठंडी हवा चलने लगी. Okay, and she knew that with that cool breeze coming, the giant would fall asleep more deeply. So while the giant continued to dream, Lily quietly opened the door to the cave and freed all the imps. So giant जब सो रहा था, अच्छी गहरी नींद में गया, तो लिली चुपचाप से वहाँ पे पहुँच गई, डोर खोला और सारे imps को उसने फ्री कर दिया. One by one, the imps returned to the magical forest where Daisy and Rose were waiting for Lily. The sisters hugged each other as the imps happily went back to their homes. अब एक एक करके सारे imps जो है वो मैजिकल फॉरेस्ट में लौट गए और डेजी और रोज वहाँ पे लिली के लिए वेट कर रहे थे. तो जैसे ही दूसरे के मिले, they hugged each other and they were like so happy to see each other. The next morning, the magical forest was full of beautiful, fragrant flowers. The imps, they had worked their magic and gave the gift of flowers to Lily, who was their rescuer. तो अगले दिन सुबह जो मैजिकल फॉरेस्ट था वो पूरी तरह से फ्लावर्स के साथ ब्लूम कर रहा था. ओके, एंड दीज imps, they were so thankful to Lily because उसने उनको रेस्क्यू कर दिया था. So from that day on, Lily and Daisy had no problem calling the imps whenever they needed them. तो उस दिन के बाद जब भी फिंगर स्नैप करते थे, imps used to just come in front of them. The imps also scolded the gnomes, making them stop disappearing when summoned. Life in the magical forest returning to normal, it returned back to normal, and then it was all thanks because of Lily's perseverance. This all happened because of her perseverance. Okay, so उस दिन से Lily and Daisy were very happy. Imps used to come as soon as they used to snap the fingers. Imps ने gnomes को भी डांट लगाई because they disappear immediately. So they also got the shouting for it from the imps. And now, okay, life in the magical forest, it was totally normal and everyone was so happy. It was a beautiful place to live for the fairies. Okay, so children, this all happened because of Lily's perseverance. उसने give up नहीं किया जब उसकी sister ने give up किया था, and that is the reason why, okay, the magic happened. So key message here is that if you keep trying and don't give up, even when things seem difficult, you can achieve great results. Persistence and determination helps solve problems that may seem impossible at first. Okay, by staying patient and not losing hope, you can bring about positive changes for yourself and others. So children, जब हम कोशिश करते रहते हैं, we keep on trying. Okay, definitely. Okay, कितना भी मुश्किल हो, okay, we will still achieve our goals one day or the other. But the only thing is that we should not give up in between, and we should keep on persistently and with a determination keep trying. Okay, तभी तो impossible भी possible बन जाता है, because impossible word maybe if you break it properly you will come to know it says I am possible. Okay, and the other saying which is so famous is try and try till you succeed. Do not give up. Okay, you can do it. If you are not able to do it alone, you can always take help. All right, so children, things to keep in mind: perseverance is the ability to keep going even when things get tough. So things कभी-कभी मुश्किल हो जाते हैं, challenges come your way, but if you keep on trying, you will always achieve your goals. Success comes when you don't give up, and even if it's hard. Okay, so कभी कभी मुश्किल घड़ी होगी तो भी, okay, अगर आप गिव अप नहीं करोगे, you will be successful. Mistakes and failures are a part of the process. They help us grow and improve. जब हम गलतियाँ करते हैं, जब हम फेल हो जाते हैं, तो हम क्या करते हैं? उठ के दोबारा कोशिश करते हैं. मिस्टेक्स को हम दोहराते नहीं हैं. ओके, जब हम मिस्टेक्स रिपीट नहीं करते हैं और जब हम फेलियर्स को एक्सेप्ट करके उसको एक चैलेंज के तौर पे लेते हैं एंड वी वर्क हार्ड टुवर्ड्स इट, ओके, दैट्स व्हेन वी ग्रो एंड वी आल्सो इम्प्रूव. A positive attitude can make it easier to keep trying even when faced with difficulties. Okay, हमेशा एक positive attitude रखना चाहिए, negative attitude नहीं रखना चाहिए. कि even the word negative, जब वो आता है दिमाग में, तभी ही it shows that you are ready to give up. So do not let negative words or thoughts or attitude, okay, control your mind. Always keep a positive attitude and be positive. Consistent hard work eventually brings rewards even if progress seems slowly. सो कंसिस्टेंटली हार्ड वर्क करते रहना है, ओके आपको एक दिन आपको उसका रिवॉर्ड ज़रूर मिलेगा, ओके कभी कभी थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, ओके दैट्स व्हेन पेशेंस plays a major role. Believing in your ability to overcome challenges is key to persevering. So अपनी ability में believe करो, okay, and see you will always overcome the challenge. And फिर आपको जो आपके मन में आपने ठान के रखा है आपको वो हासिल करने में देर नहीं लगेगी. Alright, चलो. Now children quickly reread this chapter and get on to the quiz. Get going.